Now in this question there are three principles. The first principle talks about consideration, defining what consideration is. Second principle states that consideration must be of some value in the eyes of law. And third principle states that an agreement made without consideration is void. Now, the facts say that the Wax Hospital solicits pledge from any person visiting friends or relatives in the hospital to finance the construction of a new wing. Akash is very happy with the care that his mother received, so he signs a pledge card of rupees 2000 with the intention to give to the hospital. When this card was being handed over by Akash to the hospital officer, the officer said that with this kind donation we shall hire architects to design the new wing. Now, the hospital later that day contracts with the architectural firm and begins on the construction, but Akash never makes the donation and the architecture firm bills the hospital for rupees 1 lakh. Now in this case, can the hospital sue Akash for the money? So from the facts, we have to see that there has to be offer, acceptance as well as the consideration. So offer was the pledging of the finance, the pledge card that were being signed by the people for financing the construction of a new wing. By signing on that pledge card, that means you have accepted the offer, and then consideration was the construction of that particular block or that particular wing. And 2 lakh rupees they acted as consideration for the construction of that particular wing. Therefore, all the three things were there. Hence, it's a clear-cut contract. Therefore, yes, the hospital can sue Akash for the money. Therefore, the correct answer option would be option D.